Hello friends! Welcome back to One Footed Phoenix. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some clips that are all put together of how I put on my prosthetic as well as my prosthetic progress, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys because this to me feels like such a miracle to be able to start walking again, and it's all due to these experimental infusions that I've been getting called Bisphosphonate. If you would like to learn more about Bisphosphonates, click the links down in the description down below after you watch this video. So today's video is sponsored by these journals that my mom and I have been putting together on Amazon, and there's a couple of them up on Amazon now, and you can go check them out with the links down in the description down below. I hope that you consider buying one to help me to keep making videos for you guys, because it really does help and support me. So I thought it would be fun to show you how I take my prosthetic on and off today, and the materials that I need to get it on and off. So first, before I put on my prosthetic, I make sure that I have some prosthetic socks. This one is a system of a nylon sock and a 5-ply sock that is cut off at the bottom so that the bottom of my leg doesn't get too sensitive. And then I grab some regular socks for my shoes, along with my shoes and my shoehorn. So first I'm going to be putting my sock and shoe on my prosthetic foot, and I like to do this before I put my prosthetic on because it's just a lot easier. So I'm going to grab my sock, struggling like that. There we go, we got a sock on. And then just sling it over my shoulder, and we're gonna put the shoe on now. We get it to about right here, and then I get my shoehorn and stick it in there. And then we can get it the rest of the way on. I win, I got the shoe on. Yes! Today I'm going to be putting on my prosthetic and showing you all how it goes on. So first I just lock the chair to make sure that I don't slip. I grab my nylon sock and my 5-ply sock that is cut at the bottom to allow room for my nubbin to not get too angry. And we put the nylon sock on first and then the 5-ply. So first I put my nylon sock on and I unzip my zipper leg pants all the way. Unzip my pants. And then we put the nylon sock on like this, all the way up. And then I put my 5-ply sock on. Just like this. I come and step into the prosthetic, so we bring the prosthetic here, my leg goes in, and then I just step in till I'm all the way in. So I step down, step down, step down, till I'm all the way in. Step down, step down. I make sure that the sock doesn't curl up too much. Now that I'm all the way in, I just put this piece in. It always takes a second to get this piece in. And now that I'm in, strap it up. And there we go, ta-da! Got my leg on. And that is how you put your prosthetic leg on. Putting my leg back on felt really amazing. It's been about 4.5 years since I've been able to walk correctly, and putting it back on was absolutely incredible. I had to first start walking with a walker because it's been such a long time since I've had my prosthetic on. It's been about 6 months since my neuroma surgery, since I've had my prosthetic on. And so I had to completely pretty much learn how to walk again, but it came a lot faster this time, and I was able to learn how to walk again in about 3 or 4 days. thank you for coming and watching this video. I encourage you to smash that like button so others can find the video, and to subscribe. It really helps me grow the channel. If you would like to see a video that's similar to this one, all about me walking for the first time after my first amputation surgery, then I encourage you to click this link over here. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!